ईयरबुक, एक मेमोरी बुक एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपके सारे पास्ट मेमोरीज को, आपके फोटोज को, आपके जो यादें हैं उनको एक साथ जोड़ने का और उनको एक फॉर्म देने का काम ईयरबुक कैनवस करती है.
Mental health is a cause that we all care about a lot. And Yearbook Canvas is doing everything possible as a yearbook company to help in this. We are also raising funds with the name of the campaign Share Your Load to help the elderly.
When your heart says, I was in diapers with this guy, and how my heart says that a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a memory is priceless. Having your own yearbook, the concept of hugging on to the things you love and the things you are, the smiles you never want to lose. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Take me back to those good old days. Again, my heart says, each time I look at my yearbook canvas. So Rashri Rahane is the founder and CEO, Yearbook Canvas, always wearing a beautiful smile, super talented, and imparting mankind with mental health through her startup Yearbook Canvas. Abhinav Maravi, the co-founder and COO of Yearbook Canvas. He's a gold medalist in swimming and an achiever at a very young age. आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. So coming to Surashri, my first question to you is, please tell us about Yearbook Canvas. What inspired you for this startup?
We are the company that created the yearbook culture in this country. So yearbooks are specifically digital and physical books which capture the last entire 1 year of either a school student or a college student or a person going in a corporate, with pictures, with memories, with testimonials, with polls, with questions. So it is a very beautiful physical and digital memorabilia that a person would cherish throughout their lives. I'll take you back to my childhood, right? When this idea of yearbook started. So I have had more than 15 surgeries. I am a physically challenged female entrepreneur coming from a rural background. Since my childhood, I have had more than 15 surgeries. I would be in hospital every year for 2 to 3 months, because of which I had to miss my school. And I hated missing my school. So I felt that studies is something that I could always cover. I could take down notes, but the moments with the friends that I missed, the learnings from the teachers that I missed. I'm a state level swimming champion. I was into the debating team, into the elocution team. So all of these competitions that I would miss, I really wanted to know about them at least. Even if I was a part of them or I was not a part of them, even if I was present or I was absent. And since then, a yearbook is something, or a memory book is something that I always wanted with me. So I could know what was going on with the school and what I was missing, but I could relive those days through the book. Currently, Yearbook Canvas is India's #1 yearbook company. We are a company with more than 75% of repeat rate. We have done yearbooks for some of the most aspirational institutes in the country, right? Starting from the IIMs to the IITs to ISB, FMS, to some of the most aspirational schools as well. And then our corporate memory books with customers like Royal Canin and Capgemini. We raised our first round of funding led by a VC fund. And we are going for our pre-series A round right now. So very, very excited for the team, the ever-growing team as well.
That's absolutely wonderful, Surashri. Abhinav, what are your views on these? Over to you.
Our mission is to inspire mankind through emotions and nostalgia by reconnecting with the best of their memories from schools, colleges, and workplace.
Surashri, I believe that you're highly qualified and you started your life as, in a job, a corporate job. What made you come to entrepreneurship? Let me hear that. Over to you.
Rashi, I think entrepreneurship is something that is in my blood. So I come from a family of entrepreneurs. So my maternal side, paternal side, everybody is an entrepreneur. I think I am the first person maybe to take a job, even in my cousins. But I was the youngest entrepreneur on NDTV Indian Roots when I was 19 years old, when I was studying in College of Engineering, Pune. I was exporting Indian trousseau to US and to Europe. I started a personalized merchandising company as well. catering to my college and the colleges around. When I was doing all of these things, I realized that I needed some more knowledge. I needed knowledge from the finance background. I needed some more operations knowledge as well, as I was an engineer that time. And so I decided to go for my MBA. During my MBA as well, I established one company which my brother is taking care of right now. And that is when I got an opportunity to work in Tomorrow's Leaders program in Pepsi. And I felt that that was a great learning opportunity, because of which I shifted to corporate. Else entrepreneurship was there all along and it never stopped. So during this time as well, I was an advisor on multiple startups. Yearbook Canvas also being one of the company where I was initially a founding member and an advisor. And recently I came on board full time as the CEO.
So, what are the different services Yearbook Canvas is offering?
So we are the only company in Asia to have a mobile application exclusively for Yearbook. We have an online portal. We have more than 300 design templates. We have various data fields as well that the people can fill into. So it is a three-pronged approach. The first prong in it is the school and college yearbook, which is the digital as well as a physical memorabilia. And why I'm saying digital is because due to the current lockdown scenarios where even the physical memorabilia can't be transported or delivered, we are trying our best to do that, but in certain scenario that is not possible. So at least having a digital memorabilia helps for the institution as well as for the student. Second part of this is the Corp Saga, the corporate memory books that we have. Specifically in the current time where employees are not feeling connected to the company, they are not feeling connected to their colleagues, they are not motivated enough as well. There's a big question for the HR plus the companies, how to keep them connected and motivated. And that is where Corp Saga helps a lot. So this entire process of filling out a memory book, Corp Saga in this case, or yearbook for schools and colleges, it is a very experiential process. In that process, you go back to your memories, you go back to your old photographs, you upload them, then you answer questions about your colleagues, about your batchmates, and you write memories and testimonials for them. You receive certain memories and testimonials, and that is what inspires you, right? So that is the second prong of it. And the third one that we have is personalized merchandising. So from your personalized hoodies to cups to pictures to shirts to caps, everything is what we do, because it is a very good branding exercise for institutions and corporates as well, because now these personalized merchandising is going to be at their places, is going to be at their employees, at their students places, in their offices, in their on their coffee table.
Abhinav, so quickly take us through your story in short.
Fascination with entrepreneurship started at a very early age. That means like school life. My experience in school taught me grit and perseverance and an always on attitude will take me a long way. And this is that is when I decided I wanted to be an entrepreneur for life. I have always been good at sports, and I still remember my first swimming tournament. Being aware of every single breath I was taking with a heart beating faster than I could comprehend. I ended up bagging a couple of gold medals. This experience taught me डर के आगे जीत है. So I am a serial entrepreneur from the age of 19. I started my career when I was in my second year of engineering at one of the oldest and prestigious college, VJTI Mumbai. I started my first venture when I was 19. I got a lot of learning from that venture, and then after a year, I started another venture. It was into providing integrated service solutions. Soon, my hardworking was noticed by Surashri and by the people at Yearbook Canvas. That's when I came in as a CEO and co-founder.
And this could be really inspiring for many youngsters, I guess. So, what makes Yearbook Canvas stand out from the rest?
Product in itself has a very high emotional value, which creates a sense of belongingness for the students among themselves and with the institutes also. As a company, we are making yearbooks from last 3 years. This has given us a lot of experience in type of information that makes an yearbook more personal. May it be data fields, polls, photos, or events. We have a library of more than 300 themes with different templates to enhance the user experience and also provide and we also provide customization on demand. We have an online portal, and we are the only company in Asia to have a dedicated mobile application for yearbook creations. With the help of these tools and our experience, we are able to save up to 70% of the time the client requires.
Surashri, I would want you to share about the different awards, achievements, your personal ones, and yearbook canvas, both. Over to you.
Actually, I personally have won multiple awards. As I said, I was a good student at school. As a teacher's pet, I was always a topper. I was even a topper in my 10th grade in the school, in the town. First in Nasik district in the physically challenged category, and second in Maharashtra. I have also won the Outstanding Student of India Award by Ritsumaikan Asia Pacific University in 2008. Post that, I have won the Leader of the Year award, which was guided by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe, Professor Sanjay Namdar, when I was in College of Engineering, Pune. And then a lot of awards in my professional life as well. But apart from that, I am a TEDx speaker. I am a speaker at UNESCO. I am a speaker on various platforms at University of Pennsylvania as well. Talking about Yearbook Canvas, because we created this culture of yearbooks in India, we are India's #1 yearbook company. And because all of the top institutes are already our customers, we have won multiple awards, from emerging startup to the best team to the most innovative product as well in the past.
And I'm sure that you would have, because the product itself is so beautiful and so emotional. How is Yearbook Canvas, your brand, adhering to the new protocols?
When the lockdown happened in last year, in March 2020, we prompted the idea of work from home. I have not started the office till date. The sales employee in particular were asked to take only virtual meetings with clients rather than physical meetings, which used to happen pre-COVID times. We tried to reduce the number of hands in yearbook goes to. So we started individual delivery to students' home all over the India. And we also started the culture of e-yearbooks, which can be printed whenever needed, so as to prevent it from contact of COVID person and all.
So currently, during the pandemic as well, we know that this is a very good tool for people to be motivated and for people to feel happy. But because people are scared as well, right, to touch something that comes to their places, so we make sure that there is a minimal contact with our product. From the printing to the packaging to the delivery, the number of hands that it crosses, that is reduced by more than 50%. And we also make sure that now the deliveries are not happening at the institute or at the corporate offices, because from there they will have to redistribute it. So we make sure that we deliver the yearbooks, the corporate books, to wherever the students and the employees are located at their homes, even if it is anywhere in the world, right? So just to give you an example, in between, when we did a corporate book for Royal Canin, one of their employees was stuck in the Middle East, and we wanted to send the book there, which we achieved. So we feel really happy and proud that in this time as well, we can provide some sort of safety and security in the delivery system and make sure that the products are reaching the end customer. The products are reaching the end consumer.
We understand, and I think you guys understand more than me, COVID times, thinking, cherishing old memories can bring positivity back into the lives. Yearbook Canvas, you have launched a campaign just now for people to get the smiles back. So I think Abhinav can tell us more about the campaign that you have floated.
So this campaign is very close to my heart, because last month I contacted with COVID-19 and I had to go hard quarantine on myself. It took more than a just physical toll on me, and also impacted me emotionally and mentally. This made me think of all those people who has gone through this phase, but were not strong enough to cope up with the emotional imbalance created by themselves. And even more impacted are the elderly ones. So we thought of starting this fundraising campaign in association with Sarthi Healthcare and Holistic Health in India in order to raise funds to assist the elderly people with the mental health. And to support the fundraising, we have initiated a month-long program which goes by the name Share Your Load, in which we will be having 2 sessions on mental health with mental health experts. So please join us in supporting the noble cause.
That's absolutely wonderful and the need of the hour. So, Rashri, I want you to tell us what is the reachability of this campaign, how people will be impacted through this campaign.
Rashi, there are various activities which are planned under our campaign, Share Your Load. The activities initially, of course, would include the couple of sessions with mental health experts. That is not a part of the campaign from a fundraising perspective that we are doing irrespective of if somebody is funding or not, irrespective if somebody is coming and asking for help or not, because we know that there are so many people out there who don't even realize what the symptoms are for certain of the other mental imbalances which COVID would have caused, which a lockdown or staying alone would have caused. जैसे अगर मैं बताऊं, मैं खुद दूर हूँ मेरे घर वालों से और मेरे पिताजी को कोविड हुआ था पिछले साल और मैं तभी उनके पास नहीं थी, तो इस वजह से मुझे ये पता है कि उनको कितना ज्यादा मेंटली डिस्टर्ब भी हुआ था इन दैट टाइम बिकॉज ही हैड टू स्टे अलोन लॉक्ड इन अ रूम एंड ही इज अ पैरालिसिस पेशेंट इन दैट सिनेरियो. तो जब भी मैं सोचती हूँ कि एल्डरली जो घर पे है, अकेले है, बस हस्बैंड वाइफ रह रहे हैं, या पीपल हु आर स्टेइंग अलोन बिकॉज देयर चिल्ड्रन आर समवेयर एल्स, इन लोगों को वैसे ही मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में ज्यादा नहीं पता, तो अवेयरनेस से लेके उनके काउंसलिंग तक ये सब हम करेंगे in and around Rajasthan, in and around Maharashtra as well, and from wherever we get queries. I request everybody watching this video to support our campaign, to come and fund us. The link is given in the description as well, क्योंकि हम सबको पता है कि पेरेंट्स के पास हम हो ना हो, बट फिर भी उनके मेंटल हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. और जैसे ही मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए ये करना चाहती हूँ, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग जो लोग ये देख रहे हैं, आप सब भी अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए और उनके मेंटल और फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए काफी परेशान होंगे. सो दिस इज जस्ट आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स हेल्पिंग पीपल इन नीड with regards to their mental health and towards helping elderly people in need with regards to their mental health.
This is absolutely good work. COVID times, sad times, and people so young with great startups and great work are adding a lot of positivity, a lot of value to life. Let's never stop making memories together. Yearbook Canvas could be the greatest legacy we leave for our children in the coming times. Go ahead, look at the app, look at the website. I think it is totally beautiful. The concept itself is totally amazing. Get in touch with Surashri and Abhinav for your yearbook canvas.